into it. So now, well, the problem I'm going to do, you guys are supposed to do both ways. But now what we're asking, last one I did f of g, so now we're going to do g of f of x. So now we're going to plug the f of x function into the g of x function. So g of x function is the square root of f of x. Well, we know what f of x equals. F of x equals 1 over the square root of x minus 1. Right? Now, we haven't gone over radical operations. It was on your summer assignment. But I will be reviewing radical operations again for you on focus lessons. So to go ahead and do this, you basically break up your square root into your numerator, and you break it up into your denominator. Well, the square root of 1 is just 1. OK? So now we have, remember our constraints is either rational and square root. We have both of those in this case, right? So when you look at this, we know that first let's go ahead and look at the radical. So if I did x minus 1 has to be greater than or equal to 0, right? Because we can't take the square root of a negative number. So we know x has to be greater than or equal to 1, right? But the problem is x greater than or equal to 1, if it's equal to 1, that makes the denominator 0, right? Where we can't have the denominator equal 0. So we have to write x is greater than 1. And we write that for the domain is going to be 1 comma infinity. Yes? X greater than or equal to 1 would look like 1 bracket infinity. Do you guys see the difference? That is your domain. That is not your domain because 1 is included. You can't include 1 in the answer. Because if you include 1 in the answer, it makes the denominator 0. So we get rid of the equal to, and we just say greater than. So we use parentheses. Any questions on that? No? OK. Is there any other questions that anybody would like me to go over on